Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. Today we are going to learn how to create the index in the MongoDB for improving the optimization of the MongoDB queries. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically what we are trying to do, first we are going to create the 50 records in the DB and try to fetch the record without index. Then after that we are going to apply the index. After index, how much time it will take, we are going to record. So that's how we are going to learn the use of the index in the optimization of the MongoDB queries, right? So let's get started. So here we have the code. Let me just X this and paste this over here. New optimize.js, paste this. Okay, hide this. Okay, let's try to run this first. Okay, so clear this node, new optimize. Okay, so let's have a run. Okay, so here we have the records. So connected to the MongoDB, right? 50 records inserted. Time taken without indexing, that is 6 milliseconds. Time taken to create the index is 2 milliseconds, and time taken with index is 2 milliseconds, right? So 6 milliseconds and the 2 milliseconds. Okay, so with the help of indexing, you will read the records in 2 milliseconds, and without indexing you are fetching the data with 6 milliseconds. So there is a difference. So let's see how we are going to implement this. So here we have the connection require mongoose, and here we have the connect to the MongoDB, then defining the user schema, and here we are mentioning that this is the index created on the email field. Okay, create the user model, user schema. So here we are inserting the 50 records in the users collection. So this is the insertion of that part. Insert 50 records into the collection. Here you can see that the bulk insert. So here we are just pushing the array and then insert that one, documents inserted. Okay, fetch data by email without indexing. So find this I want to fetch the record, then user without index. So here we are just calculating the time, how much time it will take. Okay, then we are going to create the index on the email field. Okay, so user dot create indexes. So already we have defined in the schema that index to be true, right? So here the index is created. Now we are going to fetch the data. So okay, here you can see that the user created that index, and the time to create that index we have logged. After that we are going to fetch the data by email after indexing. So here the time is logged, right? And then close the connection. If something goes wrong, it will go to the catch block, and here the error fetching, error creating the index part, and error fetching the data without index, and this is the error in inserting the documents, and the last one catch block, that error connecting the MongoDB. Okay, so this is the chain of that inserting the data to get the data on the behalf of indexes, right? So this is how you can see that how efficient way of indexing to optimize your queries, right? So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.